Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative products. Today, we're diving into the world of tactical accessories with the GMconn Pistol Blue Laser Light Combo. If you're in search of the ultimate blue laser sight for your handgun, look no further. This rechargeable gun light boasts cutting-edge features that set it apart from the competition. The GMconn Pistol Blue Laser Light Combo is not your average accessory. It's a multifunctional tool designed to enhance your shooting experience. With its blue laser sight and tactical flashlight with strobe mode, you'll have unparalleled visibility and precision in any situation. Say goodbye to constantly buying batteries. This gun light combo is equipped with a USB rechargeable battery, ensuring convenient and eco-friendly power whenever you need it. Simply plug it in and recharge for hassle-free operation. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this accessory is built to withstand the rigors of use in the field. Whether you're on duty or enjoying recreational shooting, you can trust the durability and reliability of the GMconn Pistol Blue Laser Light Combo. No need for complicated installations or professional assistance. This gun light combo is designed for easy, tool-free installation on your handgun. Simply attach it securely, and you're ready to go. Now, let's talk performance. The GMconn Pistol Blue Laser Light Combo delivers where it matters most. The blue laser sight offers unparalleled accuracy, allowing you to precisely target your shots with confidence. Whether you're engaging targets in low light conditions or need to quickly acquire your sight picture, this accessory has you covered. In conclusion, the GMconn Pistol Blue Laser Light Combo is the ultimate accessory for any handgun enthusiast. With its versatile functionality, durable construction, and exceptional performance, it's no wonder why this product stands out as the best blue laser sight on the market. Upgrade your shooting experience today with the GMconn Pistol Blue Laser Light Combo. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy shooting!